2 projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project title Stacked KNN with Hard Voting Predictive Approach to Assist Hiring Process in IT Organizations. Before diving into the execution, let me give you an overview of the project. IT companies have a complicated hiring procedure that includes several steps and the assessment of a range of candidate qualities. Traditional approaches, which frequently mainly rely on subjective assessment and manual reviews, can be laborious, biased, and inconsistent. Leveraging cutting edge machine learning algorithms can offer a more effective, impartial, and precise way to evaluate and choose the finest candidates in order to address these issues. The proposed system enhances IT hiring by using an ensemble of machine learning models, including KNN classifiers with different K values 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, a voting classifier for aggregating predictions through hard voting, and a random forest classifier for added robustness and diversity. This approach improves predictive accuracy and reliability, helping HR professionals make informed and efficient hiring decisions. This project streamlines the hiring process, benefiting IT organizations, HR professionals, candidates, and multi sector units. It enhances efficiency and accuracy in candidate selection, reduces manual tasks for HR, provides fair assessments, and offers a versatile decision making framework for optimizing performance appraisal and hiring across industries. Integrating Flask enhances the project by enabling user friendly web interfaces or APIs, streamlining deployment, and improving accessibility. This facilitates seamless interaction with the predictive hiring model, boosting usability and effectiveness for all stakeholders. To implement this project, we need software and hardware requirements. Software requirements of the project are application is Anaconda, primary language is Python, front-end framework is Flask, back-end framework is Jupyter Notebook, database is SQLite 3, front-end technologies used in the project are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4. Hardware requirements of the project are operating system of Windows, processor of 5 and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, hard disk of 25 GB and above. Algorithms used. These are the algorithms built in the project, which are 1 KNN, 3 KNN, 5 KNN, 7 KNN, 9 KNN, voting classifier, and a random forest. We have built all these algorithms to compare the performance with different evaluation metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and FN score. And here, the random forest outperformed the other algorithms, and that is the reason we have deployed it in the front end. Now let us execute the project. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder, which contains the project source code files. So here, this is the dataset folder. So the dataset is split into test and train. So here, this is the test file. Let us open this. So here we can see the different parameters, which is enrollment ID, city development index, gender, relevant experience, enrolled university, education level, major discipline, experience, company size, company type, last new job, training hours. So this data set is used to evaluate the performance of the model. Now let us close this. And this is the train data set. Let us open this. So here also we have the different parameters: enrollment ID, city development index, gender, relevant experience, enrolled university, education level, major discipline, experience, company size, company type, last new job, training hours, and here this is the target column. So here we have 1 and 0. 0 means candidate will not qualify and 1 means candidate will qualify. So this data set is used to train the models. Now let us close this. And here this is the static folder. This folder consists of files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. This is the templates folder. This folder contains all the HTML pages used in the project. It typically includes files like index.html, about.html, and more, which represent different pages of the website. This is app.py file. This .py file contains the information related to front-end logic. It includes code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database, and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML templates. And here, this is the data folder. Let us open this. So here we can see the different parameters: city development index, gender, relevant experience, enrolled university, education level, major discipline, experience, company size, last new job. And here this is the target column in which we have 1 and 0. 1 means candidate is qualified, 0 means candidate will not qualify. Now let us close this. And here, this is model file, which contains algorithm information which will be loaded into the project code during runtime. This is notebook.ibynb file. This is a Jupyter notebook file which contains a combination of code, graphs, and outputs all in one place. It allows users to write and execute code in individual cells, making it a popular choice for data science. This is signup.db file. This file is the database file used to store user information. And here we have the test cases text document. Let us open this. So these are the test cases which we will use during the execution. First, we need to copy the path of the code folder from the address bar of the file explorer. So here I'm copying the path. Now open the Anaconda prompt. Use the cd command followed by a space and paste the copied path and hit enter. This command is used to change the current directory to the code folder's path. Now compile the app.py file using the command python space app.py and hit enter. This command will execute the Python script and perform a runtime check for any syntax errors or logical issues. After running the app.py file, the Flask framework will host the application locally at the default address, localhost, which is this, and port, which is this. Now copy this local link provided by the Flask framework. I'm copying the link and paste this copied link into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome and hit enter. The homepage of the project is displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Flask framework. So if we are new users, we need to register first. So click on sign up link here. So here we need to enter all these details to register. But I have already registered. So click on sign in. So here we need to enter the username and the password, which are static, and then click on sign in button. We have logged in successfully and we are redirected to the prediction page. So in the project, various parameters are used to predict candidate suitability for job roles. Before entering the values of the parameters, let us understand what the parameters are. So the first one is City Development Index. This index measures the level of development of the city where the candidate resides. A higher value indicates a more developed city, which may influence the availability of resources, education, and job opportunities for the candidate. And the next parameter is gender. So we need to select the gender as male or female. And the next one is has relevant experience. This binary parameter indicates whether the candidate has prior experience relevant to the job they are applying for. Relevant experience can significantly impact a candidate's suitability and readiness for the role. Enrolled university. This parameter indicates the candidate's current enrollment status in a university. It helps assess whether the candidate is currently pursuing education and might be less available for full-time roles. And the next parameter is education level. This parameter specifies the highest level of education attained by the candidate. Higher education levels can correlate with certain skill sets and knowledge areas relevant to the job. Major discipline. This indicates the candidate's field of study, example STEM. Different disciplines provide different skills and knowledge bases, which are important for matching candidates to job requirements. And the next one is total experience. This parameter denotes the total number of years the candidate has been working. More experience can imply greater expertise and skill development. Company size. This parameter reflects the size of the company where the candidate previously worked. Working in larger organizations might expose candidates to different processes and scales of operations compared to smaller companies. And the last parameter is last job experience. This parameter indicates the duration of the candidate's last job experience. It helps in understanding the candidate's recent job stability and engagement. By analyzing these parameters, the stacked KNN model with hard voting can better assess and predict the candidate suitability for IT roles, ensuring a more effective and data driven hiring process. Now, let us enter the values from the test cases. So, here these are the test cases which I have already shown you during the execution. So, from here, let us enter the value. So, city development index is 0.89, gender is male, has relevant experience, yes, enrolled university is full-time course, education level is masters, major discipline is business degree, total experience is 6 years of experience, company size is 3566, and last job experience is 3 years. So here I have entered all the values. Now click on submit button. So here we can see the result for the given input, that is candidate will not qualify. So based on the information which we have given, the candidate is not qualified to get a job since the candidate is enrolling in a university pursuing a full-time master's degree. Now let us enter another set of parameters. So here let us enter another set of parameters from the test cases itself. So let us enter these parameters. So the city development index is 0.92, gender is male, has relevant experience, yes, enrolled university, no enrollment, education level is graduate, major discipline is STEM, total experiences 21, company sizes 3042, last job experiences 1. So here I have entered all the parameters. City development index is 0.92, gender is male, relevant experience yes, enrolled university no enrollment, education level is graduate, major discipline is STEM, total experience is 21, company size is 3042, and last job experience is 1. Now click on submit button to see whether the candidate will qualify or not. So here we can see the result, that is candidate will qualify. So this candidate can be hired in the IT organizations. Now let us enter on the set of parameters. Again from the test cases itself. So city development index is 0.92, gender is female, has relevant experience, yes, enrolled university, no enrollment, education level is graduate, major discipline is STEM, and total experience is 15, company size is 15,000, and last job experience is 1. Last job experience is 5. So here I have entered all the values. So here we can see the development index is 0.92, gender is female, relevant experience yes, enrolled university no, Education level is graduate. Major discipline is STEM. Total experience 15. Company size is 15,000 and last job experience is 5. Now click on submit button. So here we can see that the candidate will not qualify based on the information which we have given. Now let us enter another set of parameters again. So let us enter the parameters from the trained data set. So I'm entering the parameters. So here I have entered all these values from the trained data set. So the city development index is 0.77, gender is male, has relevant experience, no, enrolled university, no, education level is graduate, major discipline is STEM, total experience is 15, company size is 50, and last job experience is 3. Now click on submit button. So here we can see that candidate will not qualify based on the information which we have provided. Let us enter another set of parameters from the test cases itself. So here the city development index is 0.24. So these are the parameters which I'm entering. 0.624. Gender is female. Has relevant experience? No. Enrolled university. So the enrolled university is no enrollment here. Education level is graduate. Major discipline is STEM. Total experience is 2. Company size is 3042. And last job experience is 0. So here I have entered all the values. Now click on submit button. So here we can see the result, that is candidate will qualify based on the information which we have provided. So in this way, just by entering the values of the parameters, we can predict whether the candidate will qualify to get a job or not. Now click on logout link here. So the project is important for modernizing IT hiring processes by leveraging advanced machine learning techniques. Through stacked KNN with hard voting, it enhances accuracy, efficiency, and fairness in candidate selection, benefiting HR professionals and contributing to organizational success. Its versatility extends its applicability beyond IT to various sectors, making it as a potential game changer in recruitment practices.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.